Well, the purpose of this video is going to be to show how to change a operator on a casement window. This one we're working on right here is a dual arm operator. So the tools you're going to need some caulking to put under the new operator when you put it in. You're going to need a chisel to let go the catches for the operator, and a large Robinson bit to unscrew the operator itself. So we're going to change the operator. You're going to want to crank the window open. This particular one has two arms. Your main arm that goes into a track underneath the sash. This one hooks to the back end of the sash. First off, we have to unhook both of those. You take your chisel, and there's a little catch in there that you have to pry on, which will release that clip. Once that clip is released, you're going to pry down on that arm, unhook that arm, turn your handle and open it up a little bit. Second arm is back here. You're going to unhook that clip, unhook that. Basically, then your operator's arms are free. You're going to take your large Robinson bit, take the screws out of the crank. Once those screws have been removed, your crank is basically ready to come out of there. Just going to pull it out, keeping your arms so that they will come out through. Your crank has been removed. So now we're going to install the new operator. I always like to run a bead of clear or white silicone underneath here, just to make sure that we've got a good seal between the frame and the crank so that no water can blow in there. And you're going to set your operator back in through there. It's a delicate procedure, trying not to get caulking all over it. Push your operator in tight. Make sure it's in tight to the frame is very important. Put your screws back down through. I'm going to reattach our two arms. Crank this over and you can see there's the hole down in there for that to go through. That is a post. I'll bring that around so you can see that post goes down in through the hole in your bracket. Drops down in. Then you simply close that clip. That one's reattached. And you crank this until, make sure your clip is out of the way. That there will slide so you can line it up. Line it up with the hole, push it up on. Reattach that clip. Then you're going to want to clean up this excess caulking that's squeezed out here, just to make it a little neater job. And it's finished. So this is just going to show you how to, if you have a single arm operator, it's basically just the one clip that you're going to unclip right there, undo that. And then this arm will come up out of there and it's unhooked. Then you would just follow the other steps that we did with the dual arm by unscrewing the screws, remove the operator, caulk it, set the new one back in, and reattach that arm for a single arm. That post goes down and through there, and you can just simply close that little clip. You'll hear it clip in, and you know it's done.